Hi everyone, hope you all are doing good. Well, today we're going to see a delicious fish curry recipe using homemade masala or spice mix that you are absolutely going to relish with some hot steamed rice. So let's begin with this amazing fish recipe. And for my masala fish curry recipe, today I'll be using Rohu fish, which we will now season with some salt and some turmeric or haldi powder. We'll rub the salt and turmeric powder on both the sides of the fish pieces and we'll let them rest for about 10 to 15 minutes. And here in this plate I have taken some whole spices to make a homemade aromatic spice mix or masala. Here goes 1 teaspoon of yellow mustard seeds or sarso, 1 teaspoon of fennel seeds or sauf, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds or sabut jeera, 1 teaspoon of coriander seeds or dhania, 2 dry red chillies or as per your spice level, 2 cinnamon sticks or dalchini of 2-inch approx, half teaspoon of peppercorns or kali mirch, 4 to 5 long or cloves, and 4 green cardamoms or elaichi. And now we need to dry roast them and then grind them into a fine powder like this. We'll use 1.5 teaspoon of it and the rest we can store in a airtight jar and use them in other sabjis, fish or chicken curry. And now let's start with the cooking process. For that I've already heated some mustard oil in a kadhai, and when the oil is hot enough we will add the fish pieces seasoned with salt and turmeric powder. And on medium flame we will fry them until they turn golden brown from both the sides. But now the fish pieces are fried well from both the sides, so we'll take them off and keep them aside in a plate. Next, in the same karahi, I will fry some boiled potatoes which has been cut into this shape and size. We season them with some salt and turmeric powder. And on medium flame, we will fry them until they are well browned from all the sides. So these are also done. We'll keep them aside in a plate. And now to make the fish gravy, we will add 4 tablespoons of minced onion, ginger, garlic. And on medium flame, we will saute them well until they turn golden brown in color. So by now the onion, ginger, garlic has been fried well. At this stage, we'll add the puree of 2 medium-sized tomatoes. And on medium flame, we will saute them well until the water from the tomato puree evaporates. And once these are well sauteed, we will season them with some salt as per taste, around 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric or haldi powder, half teaspoon of Kashmiri red chilli powder for color. This is the homemade spice mix which we prepared earlier. We'll be adding 1.5 teaspoon of it. The remaining we can store in a container and can be used while making sabjis, egg curry, fish curry or chicken curry. We'll mix all the spices well and saute for 1 minute on low flame. Next goes 1 green chilli slit into half. You can add chilies as per your spice level. We'll now add a splash of water so that the onion tomato masala doesn't stick to the bottom of the kadhai. And we'll cover and let the masala cook on low flame for about 2 minutes. Let's check this once. So the masala, which is the base of our fish gravy, is cooked well by now. And at this stage, we will add some water to form a gravy-like consistency. We'll stir this once. And as the gravy starts to simmer, we will add the fried rohu fish pieces one by one into the gravy along with the fried potatoes. We'll stir this once. And now we will cover and cook the fish on low to medium flame for about 6 to 8 minutes. It's almost 8 minutes. Let's check the fish curry once, which is already smelling so good because of the freshly roasted and grounded homemade masala. This kind of aroma and flavor is hard to get in the packeted ones. I will add now some salt, as little bit of salt is required here, and a pinch of sugar to balance the taste. We'll mix this once. And just before turning off the flame, we will add some chopped coriander leaves, which will further enhance the flavor of our fish curry. And the consistency of a fish curry is just perfect to enjoy with steamed rice. That's it. Our fish curry is now ready to be served hot. So friends, I hope you will try this delicious fish curry recipe. Also share your feedbacks and subscribe to my channel for more interesting recipes in future. See you soon in my next video. Until then, bye bye, take care and stay safe.